Paulie Police Car on patrol. As a police officer, you have to be alert and pay attention to everything that happens. Today you'll follow Paulie on patrol in the city. Look closely and help Paulie to reconnaissance. Are you ready? Here we go! Now the patrol is over. Do you remember what we saw? What did Percy Post do? Did he wait at the train station? Did he take a nap? Was he talking on the phone? Or was he out for a swim? Well done! Percy Post was taking a nap. And one more. What did Harry Hot Rod do? Did he talk to Robbie Robot? Was he out fishing? Was he just enjoying the beautiful weather? Or did he play football? Great! Harry played football. Paulie, thank you for your help. You are a great police deputy.